This is Jolifet Judy. This is the final exam exercise number 5. In this exercise, I use a limit switch connected to pin 8 and relay connected to pin 7. And yeah, it's a pretty simple sketch. And this is the limit switch. This is the relay, and this is the DC motor. So when I upload the sketch, the DC motor is going to run, and when I press the limit switch, it's going to stop. So let's see. Upload. Bang, it works. And now what happened? I have to, yep, it's turning on. And this is the limit switch. When I press it, stop. Press stop. Everything stop. I'm gonna release it, and that's it. Thank you.